The government isn't only looking to slash entitlements or raise taxes to make up for budget shortfalls. The Obama administration has turned to whistleblower programs big time. We've talked about how the IRS's program has netted billions of dollars for the coffers. But the government has also tapped into the False Claims Act in recent years. This act allows a whistleblower and or the government to bring actions against a company bilking a federal program. The Obama administration just reported for the fiscal year 2012 a record $5 billion in recovery and settlements. False Claims Act cases can be massive, like the recent $1.5 billion settlement with GlaxoSmithKline that centered on the drug Paxil. Or it could be the one I mentioned in my Justice Watch column against the Church of Brotherly Love in Deerfield Beach. The church has agreed to pay back $50,000 after overcharging for counseling sessions for middle schoolers as part of a federal grant. Now, in other federal news, Miami Beach entrepreneur Claudio Osorio has been charged with bilking investors and raising $40 million in capital. Osorio is charged with a variety of fraud charges, along with Craig Toll, his chief financial officer of his now-defunct Innovita Holdings. Osorio has been under scrutiny for a better part of a year. The SEC also filed charges against him, and he has faced multi-million-dollar lawsuits, most notably by Chris Korg. The attorney developer recovered his Innovita investments by winning a $4 million lawsuit last year against him. Probably the most disturbing part of this indictment is that Osorio allegedly took money to rebuild earthquake-ravaged Haiti, but did nothing to help those people.
Justice is yours.